Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share some of the most important and secret keyboard shortcuts that can turn your skills from beginner to master level. If you're relying solely on a mouse, that's not ideal because mastering a keyboard is key to unlocking your full potential. With a keyboard, you can perform a wide range of tasks efficiently and become a true keyboard master. So, let's get started. The first keyboard shortcut is Alt plus Tab. This is a really useful shortcut that helps you quickly switch between open applications or tabs. Now, let's move on to the next shortcut, Windows plus E if you want to quickly open File Explorer and access your computer. Next, let's talk about the Windows plus Tab shortcut. Pressing Windows plus Tab allows you to open the task view, where you can see all your open windows and virtual desktops. Let's move on to the next shortcut. If you want to quickly run the applications pinned to your taskbar, you can use Windows plus number key. For example, pressing Windows plus 1 will open the first program pinned to your taskbar. Let's move on to the next shortcut. If you want to quickly delete a file or folder using your keyboard, you can press Delete or Control plus Delete. Let's move on to the next shortcut. If you want to copy and paste something to a new folder or location, you can use Control plus C to copy and Control plus V to paste it wherever you want. Let's move on to the next shortcut. If you want to quickly open the Task Manager, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. These are some of the most important keyboard shortcuts that can take your skills to the next level and make you a true master. If you found this video helpful, please support me by subscribing to my channel.